increase, decrease. So first one, we have $200, a bike, $200, and the price increases by 10%. What's the new price? Yeah, so we can get 10% pretty easily. So 10% is just move decimal place one spot. So 10% is $20. And then if it's an increase, that means I've got to add it on. So 200 plus my 20 gives me $220 for the first one. Okay. Question 2, a shirt costs 40 and the price decreases. So I have $40 and a decrease of 20%. So I need to get 20% of this. I know 10%, if I move the decimal, is $4. So another 10% is going to be another $4. So in total, that's $8. Decrease, I subtract it from 40. So 40, take away 8, gives $32 for that one. Question 3 then. Population increases by 8%. So we have 500 and it increases by 8%. Possibly we work off 10% here. I know 10% of 500 is 50. I need to get 8% though, so maybe get 5% to be 25. That's one way of going about it. That's half of 10%. 1% then is going to be move the decimal plot 2 spots, so that's 5. So how do we make 8 out of these percentages? Well, you can do 50, take away 2 5s, or you can do 5 plus 3. I think you get 40 either way, do you? 50 take away 2 5s is 40. So increase of 40 is 540 for the third one. Okay, so question 4. A phone costs 600 and the price drops by 16%. So 600 and it drops by 15%, not 16. Drops by 15%. So let's get 10%. So that's move the decimal spot 1. So that's 60. And then I can get 5%. That's going to be half of 10%. So that's 90. I need to take away from this. So 600 take away 90 leaves me with 510. Question 5. A book costs $25 and the price increases by, so $25 and the price increases by 12%. That's an awkward percent, but I can definitely get 10% pretty easily. That's going to be move the decimal place 1 spot to 2.5. 1% then is going to be move the decimal place 2 spots to 0.25. Get 2 1%. Add up all this and we get what, 3? Yeah, I think we get $3. So if it increases by $3, we do the 25 plus the 3, and that's $28 in that one. Okay, question 6. Anyone get an answer for question 6? Answer here, Nico? How much? $7,000. Okay, so yeah, you are correct. So 30% is going to be $3,000, and we subtract that from 10% to get $7,000 in question 6. Is 7,000 is my answer. Question 7, just 2 left to go. TV costs $800 and the price increases 5%. So if $800, we want to go up 5%. Okay. If this was a calculator question, I could do this by pressing a few buttons on my calculator. What would I type in? Nico? 8 times 5? You could do that, yeah. But then I just want one operation that gets me the answers straight away. I could press 800 multiplied by 1.05. Can anyone explain how that will definitely get me the answer?
Because if you times that, it will be bigger than 800. So you just will be able to...
What's the... Yeah, you're...
Minus the answer by 800.
Okay. Nico? Yeah, the 1 is here because 1 times 800 gives the 800, so I don't have to add it on then. It's already putting the 800 there. Another way of looking at that is this is 105%. The 100% plus 5%, and I can just do that as a straight multiplier. Either way, I'm going to get the same answer, which is $840, yeah. So I can use, if I have a calculator, I can use it on that one. We didn't, but if you had one. And the last one, 120, and reduce it by 10%. So if you walk into a store and there's a sale on, you have to work this out. 10% is going to be 12. Move the decimal place one spot. Take 12 away. You get 108 as our final answer for that one. Okay, give yourself, or the person you're marking, a score of 8. Swap it back, and I'll get those scores.